दाभोळी विमानतळ बंद होणार असल्याचा इशारा विरोधकांनी देत यासंबंधी सरकारनं आक्रमक मार्केटिंग धोरण राबवावे, पार्किंग आणि लँडिंग शुल्क कमी करावे आणि इंधनावरील वॅट कमी करावा अशी मागणी केली. त्याचबरोबर सत्ताधारी सदस्यांनीही दाभोळी कोणत्याही परिस्थितीत
Speaker
बंद
sir,
होऊ नये
the state government is aware about the
असं
proposed
ठामपणे सभागृहात सांगितलं.
projected expansion plan of the Goa International Airport at Daboli for the period of next 10 years from the financial year 24-25, wherein they proposed to acquire the approximate 8.3 acres of the land from the Indian Navy for the enhancement of the terminal building and related airside infrastructure. The Dabolim Airport has been performing to its optimum capacity and has 57% share in Goa's air traffic currently. The government of Goa has been lending its continued support to the Dabolim Airport by facilitating the development of the ancillary infrastructure such as the provision of the grade separator in the recent past and to reduce the traffic congestion in the vicinity of the new terminal building. The project consisting of the two flyovers of the NH17B, the one towards the Verna side 710 meters and the other towards the Vasco side 579 meters. The total length of the two flyovers is approximately 1,289 meters at a cost of rupees 38 crores 52 lakh 16,550. The grade separators have been facilitated the smooth passenger movement towards the terminal building. The government has also acquired the land for the setting up of the Airport Authority of India staff colony and CISF barracks. The Manohar International Airport at Mopa has been conceived in an establishment and after due feasibility study and conducted through the expert agencies with International Civil Aviation Organization regarding the sustainability of both the airports in the state of Goa. Thus, despite of this competition from the newly constructed international airport at the Mopa and the Dabolim airport has been performing well. The passenger traffic of the Dabolim airport vis-a-vis the Mopa international airport at the same passenger and the aircraft movement from the January 2024 to the May 2024 at the Goa International Airport at the Dabolim. It is the January passenger domestic and international flights has already given chart Dilavin. Passenger at an aircraft movement from the January 24 to the Mopa or Doni Chartui Dilia. Total domestic passenger for the Dabolim Airport and the Manohar International Airport, it is a 47,34,524 passenger. Total international passenger for the Dabolim Airport and Manohar International Airport is then 2,38,315. The statistics indicates that Dabolim Airport shall be continue to operate smoothly and it significantly in Goa's economy will remain inactive since the number of tourists visiting Goa is increasing day by day. Both the airports in Goa shall sustain without any hindrance. Since the entire Goa state is an international tourist hub and there is a tremendous potential for the growth of tourism in the entire state, including the utility of both the airport in Goa. As there will be always be the limit for the expansion of even the Manohar International Airport. Hence, the significance of the Dabolim Airport cannot be underdetermined, and it shall always be very needful facilities for the development of the tourism in the state of Goa. The government of Goa is committed to provide all the required facilitations for the expansion of Goa International Airport at the Dabolim to ensure continuity, viability and sustainability of the Dabolim Airport along with that of the Manohar International Airport.
Speaker sir, Speaker sir, I scanned through your answer that you give and I will be very, very specific and you have to be very specific while replying, Honorable Chief Minister. Speaker sir, we have to look at the serious practical issues in the interest of the stakeholders in tourism, hospitality. Sodach, Mukhyamantri pod muntalo, biupa goroz namo. Hui na hui aaj, je aao data share kotolo. This is pure data. This will show that Dabolim will be a ghost airport. Speaker sir, here दोन airport पड़ है in close vicinity. Solpak. Basically दोन airport Solpak तुका 24 million per annum traffic जाय. Currently, it is about close to 10 to 11 million in both, if you look at North Goa, Mopache and Daboliche. Because if we do not deliberate into measures, समज आम केलना, measures आचे magi रहता है मुकार. we will not be able, and we are left only at the market forces. Today we are at the market forces. Because Goa Chamber of Commerce of GCCI je padya, emi Pradhan Mantri Burele in 2024, expressing their apprehension about the potential closure of Dabolim Airport. Because Zoritor Twiler, Trend Zoritor Twiler, Spice Jet, Ultra flight halio to 3 zalio, Go Air flight pod halio land zatele Dabolim 16 te 0 zale, Indigo je grounded aircraft halle te shift zale, Qatar Airways, Speaker sir, they've seized their operations. Oman Aeroflot, TUI, charters they have decided to shift to Mopa. Uzbekistan Air and Emirates, they are in talks with GMR. Air Arabia is the 6th airline to move its base out of Mopa. Fly 91 is scheduled to start later this year at Mopa. And that's because what efforts, because coming from the industry, I feel, and right from the start, it was my appeal to the Chief Minister, kitko am sambhalpak shektai or geli. So because Akasa has got a lot of additions. They are expanding in a big way. Air India is merging with Vistara. I believe they are both tied up. You have to look at that concept. Because ये दोन्ही एअरपोर्ट दोरीतोर ऑटोमॅटिकली सेव्ह जावपा नाय आनी ते तुजे हातांत ना केंद्राचे हातांत ना हांव कित्याक तें तुका सांगता बिकॉज presently UDF era padya they decide on the user development fee. You said you would write to them. Jain Daboli Maha is 1,791 for 25-26 and the Mopage of user development fee is 840 rupees. Number 2, Airport Authority of India has raised the parking fees at Dabolim by 40%. Ami 2 वर्सां जाली उलयताय. Still they have raised. If you are not going to relocate, I believe chain reaction जातात. It's like a chain reaction. All of these things, basically, Speaker sir, will lead to the closure of Dabolim. It is now or never. I believe that the Chief Minister basically should tell us very clearly. When I say clearly, Speaker sir, आज जो उत्तर तुई माग दिला, in your reply, and it is surprising. I urge Prashna, Speaker sir, Maglolo 2A. With regards to details of international flights currently operating from Dabolim, shifted from Dabolim to Mopa, a flight padhe. Uttar te question tumge cut kele. Uttaru dilla maga. Aaj jenna uttar dilyar, you see there seems to be a drop in the international passengers. If you look, what was 45,000 in January has come down to 29,000 at Dabolim. What was 252 in January has come to 198, the number of flights. So, Speaker sir, ये म्हाका दिसता this user development fee and parking fees. Now, so long we have been talking. Have you written to aeronautical services, the authority? Have you written to bring down that fees? Because this government is responsible for safeguarding our economy, especially with regards to shifting of the airlines. And GMR, you all gave them a revenue sharing holiday dili from May 2024 to December. Why special treatment to GMR? Why attention is not given to Dabolim of shifting? Char tungele amdar hai from Mormugaon constituency. Now, to the point, this is a reply that is been given by the BJP central government to Captain Viriato Fernandes in the parliament. And this reply clearly states that this government is lying.